Hi. So we are back with our third renovation video.
Yeah, which is the bathroom.
Yeah. We've been meaning to film this video for a little while. It's here.
Yeah.
So you've just seen it before and after scene. So yeah, before this was like a completely different room. When we purchased this house, it had like a full green suite.
I think it was a mint green actually.
Mint green, that's
yeah.
So we're so excited that we've done it now and we don't have to like use the green suite anymore. The amount of bleaching I did on that green suite was
So they had a carpet on the floor, which was just horrendous. I'm not sure why they decided to put carpet in the bathroom.
Red carpet. But yeah, so basically with the work, all the sourcing of the products here is by ourselves. All the research in terms of what products we wanted, what tiles,
which took a while,
suite,
by the way. We took our time to get the right tiles.
Yeah.
It was so challenging. To come to the right decision on tiles was a very long process to get the right shade of tile.
We literally went around so many different stores and stuff. But anyway, so all the source of the products is all us. So we sourced the suite, the tiles, everything that you're going to see in here. But because bathrooms are predominantly plumbing, we did actually get a professional plumber to come in and gut it out for us.
I didn't do this one.
No.
I would like to claim the...
They didn't do it, sorry. As much as we'd like to claim it. We did the sourcing. We designed it. Like,
we designed it right to the T.
That's
it. Super cool. I'm very, right to the details. So.
That's it.
Yeah.
But in terms of like the plumbing, and we wanted the tiling, like, is this room, I think what makes a bathroom, for me personally, I think tiling does. So we didn't really want to mess about with us saying, oh, practice, you know, how to tile. We're like, no, not this time. Do you know what I mean? Like, you have to know your area. This was done by 2 contractors, basically. Plumber was an electrician as well, and then had a tiler. So yeah, so
let's take you guys through it anyway.
Let's show you. Let's take you through.
Yeah. Right, so we're gonna start off first with the tiles. These tiles are called Giorgio. They're Italian, they're made from Italy, and we went with sort of greyish grout as well. They were purchased from Almorad. Then the taps, I was quite particular with the sort of tap that we've got. So this has got like a little handle here. So when you put it left, it's hot, right, it's cold. And then this comes on like that. So that's all wall mounted. We made sure it's all just hidden. I really like that sort of feel. The sink, we went with an oval shaped basin sink. We had to get the basin shelf separate. It's actually a floating shelf just to sort of create that bit of space. It's a psychological element, I guess. So this is a very neat basin shelf. So yeah, soft close as well. Got it online. Then here we've got sort of Bali, Indonesian, Southeast Asia-ish inspired. This sort of texture was inspired from sort of Southeast Asia as well. So we matched that with the bin. We like the texture. We've got that also in the form of a toilet brush as well. So on the side here we've got the towel handle, I think they're called. So that leads on to the shower, which was something that we really wanted in our bathroom, a separate shower. This is a shower enclosure, I think it's 1800 by 1100, and the shower tray and the shower enclosure are from Bath Store. We went with wall concealed shower head. We've got the shower head there, the pipe works at the back, and we went for a three-piece shower controller. So the top part controls the shower head. The middle part is the mode, which is hot or cold, and the bottom one controls this one here, which is KONGE'S personal shower. So this shower is actually big enough for both of us to fit in and shower simultaneously, which was something we were really up for, weren't we? We really wanted that. So it's pretty cool. When you don't want your hair to get wet, then you can use this. So this is adjustable, I believe, yeah. So up and down, and then yeah, so this is one of my favorite parts of the bathroom right here. This wall feature right here, I really wanted something to be a bit different, just stand out a little bit from the bathroom, and we went for these tiles. So they're called Niagara Falls, and they're called that because they're meant to sort of emulate Niagara Falls. So they're meant to really look good when it's wet and when water's dripping. We'll probably show you guys that. But yeah, it's a pretty neat thing, and we went for the same grouting actually, which we did with the tiles on the wall, just to make it look seamless as well. And yeah, both tiles are actually from Almora, actually porcelain as well, which meant the tile had to get some sort of special cotton kit to be able to cut them, because they're a little bit more harder or more specialist cotton than ceramic tiles. In case you guys are wondering, the shower head and the shower sheet are from Plum. So this actually came with this shower head over here, but it wasn't big enough for KONGE, so we decided to actually replace it with this larger one, which is pretty cool as well, because when you press this, it changes the different levels and pressure as well, which is pretty cool and handy. But yeah, this is what it actually comes with standard. But yeah, you can replace the head at any point, which we did. Okay.
So yeah, over to me. So basically, moving round, we have this beautiful radiator. Actually, you should have probably talked about this radiator. This is Tunde's baby.
It is actually.
Do you know what I mean? Like, this is your baby. Tunde is like the radiator man. I'm just like, yeah, let's get a radiator, and he's like, no. We need to find the radiator. So this is Tunde's pick. I think it's gorgeous. I think it just adds that.
You guys might.
Boom to
you guys might notice it's similar to the one we've got in the living room, anthracite color.
Yeah, it is. It's beautiful.
Consistency.
So I don't even know where it's from, babe. Where did you even find it?
I think it might have been from Victoria Plum.
And then over here is my little touch. Basically, this room is a small space, and we really wanted to create the illusions and make space bigger and stuff. So that's why we've got the floating shelf there, and also we really wanted this to be as high as possible to kind of leave space on the ground, and which is allowed for this beautiful thing here. I'm so glad to have this plant in here. I really wanted a plant in the bathroom, so I was so glad that we could actually fit it in. So yeah, like I just feel like a bit of green in the room actually is just perfect, really. So this is actually from B&Q, and so is the pot underneath. So yeah, I love this plant, and the good thing about having a plant in the bathroom as well is that it absorbs moisture. There's something new every day. So yeah, it's quite nice to have. But yeah, we just have to make sure we keep it alive, babe.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Hopefully. I'm sure we will.
I'm sure we will.
Let's speak life into it.
Yeah. we speak life, live long. Anyway, so yeah, and then over here we have this beautiful, beautiful bath. I'm so in love. Absolutely in love with this bath. Like, it's called a slipper bath. So this is actually from Better Bathrooms, and it's just literally just gorgeous. Like, I love the shape, and I love that you can put your back against that. Yeah, I love that the back's well supported when you're having a bath. It's just beautiful. You know, when you have a goal and a vision in your head and then it comes to pass, like, it's just like, wow, this is actually like in our bathroom. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. Right here we have a waterfall tap. We really wanted a waterfall tap, and we're so glad to have it. Like, it's just gorgeous. Like, so yeah, dial, is it dial? Same thing, handle. Yeah, as the sink where you've got the hot and the cold. Yeah, and then obviously it's got this, and this was a must for me. Like, I really wanted this, and I really wanted it to be quite long enough as well. So this is just perfect for, like, once you finish having a bath and you can just shower off while you're still in there, or also just for cleaning. So this is nice. And also I think one thing that's really beautiful here is that we really wanted to fit a shower and a bath. And I know it's not the biggest space, but I love how we've done it, and it doesn't feel like claustrophobic or anything. It's just worked so well. And then here we have our window. We're so glad how this turned out. I think it just makes the window look that much nicer as well. And it also gives us space here to put things. So we're actually using this at the moment for just candles. We need to figure out what else we want to put here. And this candle here, actually, guys, this beautiful candle, came with us all the way from Singapore. So we actually got this in Bath and Body Works in Singapore. I was so glad to find that store. And I think what I love about this candle is that it just makes the room smell like a spa. Like, I love that smell where it just feels so relaxing. Like, oh, I love it. Beautiful candle. And we've just got some other small little candles here that we got from Asda. But yeah, so I love here we have, which I'm going to do a better job of explaining, if you've seen our last video, we have an extractor fan.
Our last toilet video, renovation video.
Toilet renovation video. So I won't say too much, actually. It's last time I really embarrassed myself. So yeah, we've got an extractor fan there, and we really wanted it to merge with the tiles. So we didn't go for a white one this time. So that goes on when we turn the light on. So when we turn the light off, it turns itself off. So over here, we have the toilet. It's the same one we have downstairs. B&Q, we thought if it does a job, make it work. So we bought this exact same. Here we have from Screwfix, toilet roll holder. So that matches really well with our taps and hand towel holder. So they all like sort of merging.
Yeah, it's all the chrome effect. Yeah. That leaves us to the ceiling. So the ceiling we've put in 4 spotlight, and of course we insulated it as well. We painted it with deluxe bathroom white paint to just keep it minimal, and also moist as well. It helps with the type of paint that you get.
With the floor, we decided to go with a slightly different tile to the ones on the wall. This is sort of like a wood effect on the floor. It feels good to the feet as well. And we went with darker grout as well, just so that you don't really see the space in between the actual tile.
There's one thing that we've not yet showed you guys, which is not seen with the eye. So that is below the tiles, we've got underfloor heating. So another type of heating. And basically that's meant to help us out in the winter. We all know how cold Manchester can get. So we thought we'd get underfloor heating because we're putting tiles on the floor. And that means that when we come out to have a shower and step in, and it's warm. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. We've actually got an app, so I've got the app for it. I can control it wherever I am or wherever KONGE'S is. So I'll show you guys the screen what the interface looks like. So we control it from outside the bathroom, and yeah, it can all be done remotely as well. Right guys, thank you for coming to the end of this video.
Yeah, thanks so much for watching. We appreciate every single one of you. Hopefully you enjoyed this 3rd renovation video.
Yeah.
And look out for number 4. And thumbs up if you thought it was quality, and also comment below, let us know what your favourite part was, or what you particularly love about this bathroom.
Yeah.
Just like let us know, like let's have a conversation.
Thumbs up for the radiator.
Oh yeah, for today's radiator, thumbs up, like, and yeah, it really means a lot to us if you just like literally engage with us below, so we kind of know your thoughts. So yeah, and obviously share if you think it'll be useful to somebody.
So yeah, comment below whatever your thoughts are, and subscribe.
Yes. See you in our next video, which will be our Bali and Singapore travel vlogs. Bye.